ducking the side case cover that busted on me. We fucking, ooh, we ducking. Got a new one on there. The Tuttio, I think I'm gonna do something different with it too, maybe. Eventually. Yep, it's dry. Well, that's fun. What'd you do?
Thank you. Can you read it?
Thank you. Taking the tires and the rims off the 125. We got the new rims and tires put on the Tuttio. Now these ones came off of the 125. Originally they were on the Tuttio, but you know, we did away with those. We're gonna redo them, so I was in the middle of primering them. Forgot to grab the GoPro once again. Always forgetting. This time I got reminded, so here we are. We got part of it painted. So it's kind of a rainy day, kind of cool, but we're out here anyway, and we're gonna finish this up. So bear with me. Bear with me. All right. Well, I think that is good for now. Let that all dry up. And then come check it out tomorrow. Hopefully, if it is good, put one more coat of primer on there just for good luck. And then let that dry up and then start the black, and I think it should be good to go. Yep. Not too bad for a rattle can job. Check her out. Ooh. Fancy. Yeah. There we go. And then try to hang it up, but I think if I try to do that, this part's gonna end up touching right there.
So I don't really want to mess it up.
Oh yeah, does anybody remember in the last video, if anybody's been watching, the side case cover that busted on me? We ducking. Got a new one on there. Actually, that can go to the trash now. But yeah, I did get a new one. Check her out too. Yeah, nice and purty. Nice and purty. So here's the front tire. There's the back tire. I'm tired of that look. The Tuttio, I think I'm gonna do something different with it too, maybe eventually. I don't know, I might do a different wrap on it or something. And then I need to get the exhaust put on. Need to get that done. But I think I'll wait until the new motor gets in that I got coming. Cause this one's gonna come off of there and it's gonna get rebuilt. Alright guys, welcome back. 3 hours later. We're gonna paint the front rim. Now that it is good and dry. Yep, it's dry. Got the big old fancy turbo can right there, brother. Hell yeah, brother. I like how she's over there just looking away on some chocolate. Do that to me. Woo, brother. That turbo lays her down. Right now it looks halfway decent. Well, we made a mess with the overspray. Check it out. That is a mess. Oh my word. Oh my word. Yes. Looks nice, looks nice. Round of applause. Oh man, I see a smudgy on you guys. Hold on. Let me get you guys squeaky clean. There we go, squeaky squeaky. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna let this dry and settle and come back and check it in just a bit. I wiped off where my bearing was at, so that's why it's kind of like that, but that's fine. We'll get that fixed up in a little bit.
I got over there. I got. Okay.
Let's go ahead and get this thing touched up and ready. Well, that's fun.
What'd you do?
No, I didn't. Look what it did. And this is why you don't paint when it's cold out, because this is what it'll do. Gosh, bless it. Alright. Well, on that note, I guess I'm done for the day, so peace out, my beardies. These off, and I'm gonna take this tire off, and I'll just get this tire all cleaned and shit, and just use this one. It's already black. Alright guys, I came up with a different solution since that rim was it got messed up. Because it was a tad bit cold out here. Back one's still fine, we'll just repaint that. Well, get it painted black. This one's already black, so I'll clean it up a little bit. Throw a fresh coat of black on it. Probably do that Saturday when it's like 70 out. Almost. Yeah, I think it'll be like 70. Man, I still can't believe that damn rim did what it did though. Oh well. I'll fix it later down the road.
Yeah.
I hope these were easier putting on than they are taking off. That's good lord.
I would think they'd be easier putting on.
Oh.
Plus, I feel like they've been on for forever.
They feel like they've been on forever. Spokes are screaming, I can breathe!
Mm-hmm.
Hell yeah, now, brother. Got it off of there. Alright, now, keep them straws. Put them in the parts top. Alright. Do you want to hit me? Oh, I got my pocket pliers. Hey, you want to come over here and give me a hand holding this real quick? Would you, my love?
It looks dangerous.
It could be. Come here, hold it. There you go.
Hold on. Unless you want to come get it out of my pocket.
There.
The tire.
The tire? The tire sandwich? Can you read it?
Don't mess with that.
It shut off. It's that low battery.
Look, this tire's been on there since like brand new. Ugh. This thing's been on there since factory. Ugh.
Ugh.
Ah, damn. Woo! There we go. Oh, my rubber broke. Oops, that's what she said.
Yeah.
Ah!
Oh shit.
Boy, come here. Come throw this away. Come here. Throw that in the trash for Daddy, please. Into that. Thank you.
Yes. Is mine charged up? Can I have mine?
On your helmet.
Come with me, guys. I guess until you die. Ah!
Is it getting? It's getting okay. The camera.
Guess that's as good as it's gonna get. I'm guessing there. Holy moly, donut shop. All right. Primer in the rim that we took that tire off just a few minutes ago. I was sitting here off camera, heating it up with the heat gun. Heating the rim up, not the paint, because the paint was inside the house where it was nice and warm. So, and just heating the rim up like I did actually seem to do pretty good. Same good job. And always eat fruit while painting. Good for you. I'd say that did pretty good. These apples are even better though.
Oh, it's Super Pop.
Oh, yes,
Super
sir.
Pop.
Come here, woman.
Wow.
Your mom said the first time too, son. Wow. Messed up one trying to paint it flat, the front one of the Tuttio, man, but whatever. Oh well. Quack happens. Yeah, quack, quack. Yeah. Alright guys, I really think that just really did the trick for me. Which if that did, that's gonna be awesome because sheesh, looks not too bad. Look. Alrighty, well here we are. I just did the old trick again. I heated it up and heated it up and heated it up and heated it up until it was eventually good enough to go ahead and paint. Well, and now look at her. Yeah, that is nice. I got both of them nice and painted all black. Perfect. Now I just gotta let them dry up. That's the first coat. We'll probably put 2 or 3 coats on here, maybe 2. But yeah, that was one solid full coat on the both of them. Plus there was like 3 coats of primer I did, so there's that.